guys, welcome to Tea and
Tequila!
Firstly, today is a hot one. I'm going to be squinting a lot and I've got no sunglasses.
It is super hot.
It's super hot and super sunny. We have an agenda for today. So obviously the daily vlog, I hope you're going to enjoy it. Secondly, we are going to be uploading a new
wandering vlog, no?
We're going to be uploading a new video today alongside our daily vlog. It's going to sit on a playlist called Wandering, and the whole playlist is going to be dedicated to
wandering around different countries of the world.
Specifically right now, Playa del Carmen, Mexico, and the first video is just going to be wandering with us through Fifth Avenue. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog and I hope you check out our walking videos.
And don't forget to laugh daily.
Yeah, laugh daily, guys. Make sure you laugh at us and with us.
Yes. Oh look, we stayed there.
Oh yeah, exactly. There's actually people looking at us. I don't know if you could see them, but they waved. Yeah, we stayed there. We stayed there for how long?
I think it was about 2 weeks.
2 weeks or 3 weeks?
Yeah, it was a little while.
Yeah, and we used to have breakfast here every morning. It's quite good breakfast considering, and I'm not one to wake up for breakfast while staying in a hotel.
We did there.
We did there. It was good. So.
And the hotel was really nice. It was beautiful.
Yeah, it was beautiful. We didn't really go to the rooftop pool much, did we?
No, we didn't.
No. I know.
Yeah, that's where we used to sit.
Yes, we used to sit there every morning and do some Instagram stories. When we had time and we weren't doing YouTube.
Yeah.
Okay, so I think we need to go to our favourite shop.
It's funny.
Which you guys all know what that shop is.
Yeah, it's crazy how often we go there.
It's our daily activities. So we're off to Walmart. What are we getting in Walmart?
I really need needle and cotton, which is quite random. I also need to get afterbite because I've just been eaten alive by mosquitoes when we were in that bar.
I know, I was bitten too.
And they just kept gnawing at me because I was so busy working. I wasn't even, focusing on it. So I just got eaten. So I need some afterbite or some lavender, which is better.
How's your forehead?
It itches still. It's still there's a little lump.
I know.
But it's fine.
It's because you got tasty blood.
Yeah, nice and sweet for them.
They don't bite me. No, they do.
They do
I
bite
just don't
you.
think about it.
Well, they bite
I leave them
you
get
and they
on
don't
with
come
it.
back. Maybe
Yeah,
they bite you, then they come to me, and then they don't leave me.
And they tell their friends, don't go near him.
Yeah.
Go to her.
So on second thoughts, I've been to Walmart a lot and I don't think they've got actually what I need. So I'm going to go to a pharmacy instead. And I'll probably have more luck, I think. What do you think?
I think so.
Have you got my mask? I think you've got it with you?
Yeah.
I feel like I just got bits again on my forehead. Amazing. I had a feeling that when I asked for afterbite they'd try and give me a steroid, and she gave me a very sort of prescription looking box first, and I said, oh, does that have a steroid in it? And she said, oh yes. I said, oh, have you got anything without steroids in it? And she went, oh yes, we have. And then she gave me something more natural, so I'm glad I asked. If I just taken what she recommended first, but I had something that was more, I'd say, medical based rather than herbal based. So I'm happy with that I asked. And it was like quarter of the price. So.
We'll have to get Kira to show off her legs now and pop it on. Maybe I'll share some.
Should we do it at home though?
So we have the famous coco bongos.
Yeah.
I'm sure they're going to coco bongos tonight.
Yeah, possibly. They look dolled up for it. Very nice.
They're
It'll be a good night.
having some photos. Should have welcomed them to the vlog.
We should have, yeah.
So we love that place. We will be taking you there one night. Hopefully we can get the footage into a vlog.
That'll be good.
So yeah, that's the plan. But we love Coco Bongos. Always pretty much one of the best nights you'll ever have in all your entire life.
They put on such a show. It is so amazing that it is definitely an alternative to just going out to a bar or a club. They put on an amazing act, don't they?
Yes. Love it, love it, love it.
That's some of the cast.
Definitely celebrating the Mayan culture.
Yeah, it's amazing. They actually put on those outfits and paint themselves every single day. And we've seen them then removing it all at the end of the day and then putting it on the next day. And it's amazing that they do that every single day religiously. Like, they're committed, aren't they?
They're committed, but obviously if they dress up, they have to, don't they?
Oh, yeah.
It'd be impossible just to, unless, it'd be worse if they woke up and they were like it. That would be a concern.
I don't even like to remove my makeup though, so I can't imagine how long it takes for them to remove that paint. Hola. There's
Cool, isn't it?
amazing things everywhere in Mexico. Yeah, when you walk down Fifth, there's so much life and atmosphere and like good vibes. It's definitely great for the family, isn't
Who do you
it?
prefer, Woody or Buzz?
Woody, I think.
me.
I always felt sorry for him when Andy changed his toy.
I would have kept Woody.
I like Woody.
Yeah, I like his name as well.
Me too. Yeah.
Solid.
It's a good name. It's a good name. It's a strong name.
That is Tequila.
Pizza stop for Theo. I'm gonna wait till we get home and I'm gonna make myself something. I'm not sure what yet.
Hola.
Looks quite nice. I just don't like cheese. Theo just had a row for walking away with his glass bottle, so
Yeah, good.
so they're gonna go and give him a plastic cup, I think. Hopefully.
Okay.
Okay, they don't have cups, so you're gonna have to either knock it back or you're gonna have to. Hola.
Hola.
Either gonna have to knock it back or throw it in the bin.
I'll have a few more gulps.
Okay, don't rush, it's fine. Take your time. Mexican minutes. Now that we've finished pizza, we need to go and pick up our laundry.
We do.
So we're just walking there now. It's quite a nice walk, isn't it, most of the way, and then it gets a little bit quiet. Then we're gonna go home, no?
We are. You can see that we do walk a lot. So
We
use our
walk
legs a lot.
miles.
Keeps us slender.
It
Maybe
does.
healthy, you never know.
I think it's good for the heart to move, no?
It's gotta be good.
Yeah, so we're gonna go and get our laundry and then go back and probably do some more editing. Yeah, a bit of work. And then tomorrow we're going to Cozumel.
Hey.
Hey! Excited. I can't wait to go there. We've never been before, so we'll show you that in the next vlog after this one. Hola! Hola! Oh. He was so cute! Oh, it's just a little boy, like playing the drums in the middle of the street. This is amazing.
Crowds.
He's
It's
got
hard to
a.
get through. I just barged into like 3 people.
He's got a crowd. He has. He's amazing.
Round of applause.
Yeah, it's incredible. We'll put it on the vlog.
Today feels like we've been reminiscing. We've walked past all our old houses. Well, our old
Places of
worship. No, places where we used to live. So, Hotel 52.
That's the second place we lived, wasn't it?
I'm not sure.
The second place, because it was the second place we lived, I think. The first one was Ahara or Hava or something.
Yeah, this was the second. There we go. You've got a good memory, haven't you?
I have got a good memory.
You have.
Yeah, it's like we've done our walk to the laundrette and we just keep walking past places we've seen and well, stayed.
I think because we haven't been vlogging prior to this, or I suppose we haven't been producing content on where we've been living, now we've got this vlog. It's good to show people where we've stayed.
Yeah.
And it can be captured for eternity on YouTube. It's a shame we weren't vlogging at that time, and then obviously you take it right.
I guess the timeline would make sense in that way, but yeah, still, it's amazing.
We're about to collect our laundry. I'm quite excited because who doesn't love some fresh white underwear? No, just towels and
fresh bedding,
and some fresh vests.
We've walked really far.
We brought our feet down. I'm surprised we got any toes left.
I know. I'm surprised my flip-flops have not worn through to the ground. Otherwise, we didn't get those. Maybe we'll have them. We didn't have that in the pharmacy.
Just pretend I'm recording here.
No. You probably are.
No. I want to play a little game with you.
Okay.
Okay.
What
So,
game?
we're going to the laundrette. Is it open?
Oh.
I don't know.
I don't know either.
So,
what's the game?
Guessing if the laundrette's open.
Oh.
So
well,
it's down by here.
What time are we on?
We can't see the entrance because
I hope it's open.
because of our viewpoint. We're gonna play a little game.
Is it far from here?
It's right there.
Oh.
Is it open?
Let me try in here. I'm gonna say no on a Sunday.
Oh, I was gonna say yes, but now you.
Right, he
said
was gonna say yes. I was gonna say no. I didn't give you my reason really, not because it's a so you think yes, I think no. But let's go.
I say no now.
No, you can't copy me. It's only because I just give you the reason. If I hadn't said Sunday, you would have said yes then, you said.
I would have said yes.
So I win the game, basically.
Okay,
yeah?
let's see
I
if it's
win if
open.
it's closed.
If it's open, then maybe you have a double forfeit.
Okay, maybe.
Okay, let's be open.
I don't know if we should...
Come on. We can do this. We can.
And that is Tequila 1 and tea.
I was talking about
none.
the shop, the convenience shop. Oh, I forgot. I didn't mean the laundry.
Don't lie. He's lying.
Okay.
You're lying.
I win.
He's such a sore
I
loser.
win.
You're a sore loser.
I'm not sore. I'm just a
watch
loser.
this back and see if you said laundry.
Yes, I get tongue-tied when I'm on camera. Okay. We home forfeit for Kira and Tequila.
No, I won. I'm gonna win. I'm
You
gonna win.
always win.
I won. That was a clear. That was a clear. That was clear.